history-making moment for the future of bourbon in Danville.
Today, crews install a column still at Luca Mariano's new craft distillery.
Chris Spadaccini is live there ahead of this milestone with how it will benefit its bourbon production.
Yeah, Paul, you got to say it more Italian. Mariano, Luca Mariano Distillery here in Danville. Good try, though. We're here with the founder, Francesco. More than a decade got us to this point today. Tell us a little bit about, that story.
Yeah, I started making bourbon with my grandfather back in the 80s, and then he passed away, and I started making it in my garage just to remember him, and that was back in 2010, and then here we are. 13 years later, we started. There's a lot that's happened in between there, but I mean, we went from my garage to here, and it's a very big day for us.
Why would you say it's so historic and monumental?
Well, everything comes to is around the still, and our still is arriving today. It's going to be installed today, and it kind of marks that this is actually real. It's happening.
Was it kind of a collaboration between you and David?
Of course. Yeah, David's our master distiller. He's a tremendous talent, and he's got a huge background in distilling, and we're just very excited for this day.
And we won't leave you hanging. We have David right here. Yeah. Is there kind of a weight lifted off of your chest now that this installation is happening today, or are?
Oh, certainly. It's that kind of milestone moment for a distiller when he sees that column still go into place, finding its permanent home.
And it's massive, right?
Well, it's 36 foot tall, 18-inch column still from Ben Dome.
Is that pretty standard?
Yeah, it's a little bit on the smaller side, but we're starting on the small side, growing. So.
And by growing, where do you kind of see this taking off from today?
Well, Francesco has some unbelievable plans for the distillery. This is just our start, and then we're going to grow into a much larger distillery.
Is this going to kind of affect? Do you know this right now? Kind of going to affect the bourbon's taste, the production, or do you just kind of know that it's going to be a positive effect no matter what?
It's going to be a positive effect.
You know what, guys? I told them that we need to taste some bourbon at some point today, so we're going to make sure that we do this. We'll use my expertise, and by mine, I mean their expertise, to give you the full effect. In the meantime, we'll send it back to you as well.